In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could clean out your iCloud storage. So as you know, when you create an iCloud account, you get 5 gigabytes of space in the cloud. So sometimes when you have your iPhone for a long time, there's applications that consume that space in your iCloud. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings and then click where you see your name and then click where it says iCloud. And under storage here on the top, you're gonna see an option that says manage storage. So you click manage storage. So in here, we could see that I have the 5 gigs of space and I have 931 megabytes used. And on the bottom, it lists all the applications that have storage in the cloud. So for iMessages, I have 519, and generally backups, photos, and messages are the primary applications that consume the most space. So if I wanted to clean up messages, I click on the application and I could do two things. I could disable and delete. And if you do disable, that means that the data will not longer go to the iCloud. Or you could go to top conversations and then see all the conversations and see what message has the most data. And then you could go back and then do the same thing for all the other applications. Now, if you don't want a specific application on this list from sending data to the cloud, you basically click back. And then here you're gonna see apps using iCloud. So in here, if you don't want photos to go to the iCloud, you would turn it off. And then any other application that you see here, you basically just flip the switch and then that application will no longer send data to the cloud. Now, the good thing about sending data to the cloud is if you have another device like a iPad or MacBook, some of that information could make it over to the other device if you have that data in the cloud. All right, so that's how you manage your iCloud storage. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.